welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Definitely hit the subscribe button if you like this video. I can't even believe that I'm saying this. I'm going to Bali and Lombok tomorrow at 7:55 a.m. It is currently 9:59, almost 10 o'clock. I've gone to get my lashes done already, cleaned the top level of our house. You guys are gonna pack with me today. Can you believe that I am even saying this? I worked till like 7:30 p.m. last night trying to get everything done. So I was gonna start this video yesterday and get my nails done after work, but there was none of that. I was tired. Today we've got a busy day ahead of us. We're gonna go shopping for all the sort of essentials. We're going to prep my physical body. I just got my lashes done, need to do my nails and need to get laser. I'm going to pack and clean the house. I have drafted up a summer vacay packing list. Got a little section for the quantity of things. I've put down how many pairs of like basic crop tops I need. So we're working off this list. Then I decided to do like a specific packing items list for my specific like stuff that I want to bring. So I'll list what type or where I'll get it from. Then I had a to buy list. So I'm gonna write that today so that I don't forget what we need to buy. Also created outfits of the day travel checklist, airport outfits. So I'm gonna write what I plan on wearing there. Then all my casual sort of OOTDs. I have active days, so if we plan on going to like for a hike or anything, which we're not going to be doing, but then beach day outfits or beach bags. So sometimes you want to bring like a beach towel or something. And then you've got travel days. Sam and I will be traveling one day where we go on a boat for ages. So I'm going to wear like comfy clothes on that day. I also prepared these pre-departure to-do lists. I have like fill scripts, get vaccinations, print medical documents. Sam and I are going to go through now and make our daily to-do list. Everything here, it looks disorganized, but I promise they've got their places. We've got all of our like content creating equipment in here. GoPro drone remote, a tripod, my microphone, and these are like spare cords. This is the medicine section. If you guys don't know, I have a lot of like ailments. Wipes, which are coming on carry-on, skin and allergies, because I have really bad like allergies and skin problems. Then we've got cold and flu and headache. That is big, especially because what if we do get COVID there? Then we've got tummy related ones. If we get Bali belly, we're prepped. Probably a better side to see what we have. There we go. So this is my prescription medicine. I'm gonna have number A. If I lose this, which I've done before, I actually like will need to come home from overseas just to take medicine. So I've got a backup. As an experienced traveler, these are all cut up. I'm gonna put some in Sam's bag just so that I can have some. Then we've got hand sanitizer, Airguard, and I have my Vitable vitamins, guys. I've got a 50% discount code for you guys at the moment, so do look down below if you want them. They pretty much come packed, so you open one each day. I take activated B complex, iron, magnesium, and vitamin D, so I've got one in there for every day. That is the situation there. And as for upstairs, we've pretty much just got a pile of my clothes and carry on. I'm enjoying this. I'm making Sam do a list and he's actually realizing how many things that he doesn't have. So this is why a list for each person is essential. He's the kind of packer that will get to Bali and the aircon in the room will be freezing and he won't have a jumper. Isn't that right?
Yeah, why would you bring a jumper to Bali?
He'll learn the hard way. Okay guys, I just had my second coffee for the day and my excitement has turned into like anxiety. I've got like excited anxiety and I feel like I'm gonna start like running at 100 miles an hour. Oh my god. It's fine. So what I'm doing is yet another list. It's fine. So I've got my pre-departure to-do list, but because I started writing on here and I'm an organized freak, so I'm actually going to now make a schedule of what I need to do, because this is travel related, this list, but I have to film 2 videos and 2 TikToks and get some Instagram stories and a reel and draft up some infographics and stuff like that. So I've also got a lot of content work today that I need to do. So I'm going to make a plan here. It's fine. I hate the thought of like stressing you guys out. Like I really don't want to be that YouTuber who talks really fast, but then I watch other YouTubers and they're like, I talk fast. I'm like, oh god. So this is my to-do list. I'm gonna clean for the next hour so that the house is pristine. Prep, do my makeup, set up. 12:30 to 2, I'm gonna film all the content that I need to film. 2 to 3 p.m, I'm gonna shop at Kmart and Priceline and also go past. I'm putting some sheets in the dryer at Mum's because we don't have one. Then I'm gonna get my nails done. 4 p.m, laser. 4:30, Chemist Warehouse and office work. 5:30 p.m, I'm going to Mum's again to pick up the stuff. And then 6:30 p.m, I'm going to come home and finally actually put stuff in the freaking suitcase. First up on the list, let's clean.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Oh, come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime for you and I. Every attitude. Who cares what the people think? It's been turning kinda gray in Southern California, but I'm allergic to the rain.
Hello guys, just checking back in. Eliza is coming over to hang out with me for about an hour. I'm just trying to reschedule my day and I'm trying to do it. I've written all the times that the shop's shut. Everywhere shuts early on a Saturday, so I'm just rescheduling my day. And then I'm going to get ready to film while I'm with Eliza. Hello guys, it is now like 2:20. I'm running pretty far behind on schedule, but that's okay. I'm feeling like we'll get there. Anyway, I'm going to do my makeup quickly and then I'm going to wash my makeup brushes in this top and then I'm going to get changed and film a YouTube video and 2 to 3 reels and unboxings, and then I am going to go to the shops. So let's do it. Let's do this quickly. Minimal makeup.
Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. Got me thinking that I'm famous. I remember when I prayed for this.
Alright guys, I have done my makeup and now I'm about to film. I'm trying to find somewhere to film. Like the lighting, I hate filming when it's really glary like this, just because like I feel like it's such white lighting. Anyway, enjoy watching me try to set up. Oh my god guys, I just did it, but we're running so late. So we're going to go ASAP. Rocky out. Look at me, I'm just a disheveled mess. I forgot to film the reels or the TikTok, so I have now done that and I'm so bad at time management. It is 3:48. I'm not even gonna make it to laser on time, let alone to all the shops. So we're gonna have to think about it in the car. Let's go right now. All right guys, I'm here and I came up with a plan. So we're gonna try and execute it. Let's go get laser. I don't know if I'll get my nails done unless the lovely ladies that always do my nails will stay open past 5 for me. So, but that's gonna be the thing that I have to give up. Let's just say this whole day has definitely not gone to plan, but I'm not disappointed in myself. I think I managed to prioritize under pressure. I got my nails done. I know that I did this whole spiel before I went in there about like, I'm gonna get laser and the thing I'll give up is my nails. I was like looking at places where we're going, which is Kuta Lombok, and I was like not feeling faithful of the nail salons there. So I was like, I'm gonna go get my nails done. I went to Target, Kmart, Kohl's, and kind of got like a whole range of things. I'll do a little haul when I get home. I bought this moisturizer, which my dermatologist recommended, and she said that it is literally what they give patients in hospital. So hopefully I don't have dry skin anymore. I did just quickly want to talk about my handbag that I have. This bag is from Simbono Handbags. You guys know that I absolutely love their bags. Like, my favorite bag is the ivory crossbody one. I'll put a little screenshot up, and I'll definitely link it down below. That is my absolute favorite, and I want it in literally every color. So we're gonna get there eventually. If you guys need a bag, highly recommend Simbono bags. Like, look at the quality of this. It is just so thick and sturdy. I absolutely love it. This can kind of be used as a clutch, so you can detach these handles but how cute. Like, I thought that I wanted a little green vibe. I feel like green's really in at the moment. They're super affordable but such high quality, and of course vegan leather is such a bonus, and cruelty free. I believe that's what vegan leather means. I don't actually know. Anyway guys, I literally love this bag so much. You should see when I'm packing. I literally am only packing Simbono handbags because one, they are stunning, but two, I literally am obsessed. Like, they are just such good quality. I can't handle it. I don't know if you've ever bought like bags for roughly like $100 to $120, and then you're like, this bag feels like it should be $50. These, I kid you not, when I opened my first ever Simbono handbag, I was like, are you sure this wasn't $400? I have a discount code, by the way, so I will put that down below. And green at the moment, sorry, I'm just going back to that, but green, it's just such a statement color, and I want to get at least black and brown in the crossbody, my favorite one that I have. And Simbono cannot wait, and I'm hoping one day they come out with tote bags eventually. So guys, if you're watching this, can you please come out with a tote bag, because I need one. I'm heading to my mum's to pick up my sheets that I tried to dry and aren't dry. So I literally forgot like the one essential that I had to get. Masks. Not going anywhere without them, so that's great. Guys, most essential part. Oh no, where did I put it, Lulu? Look what I got you. Look. Sit. Good girl. Alright guys, I am going to shower because I'm tired, get into my PJs, and I will begin packing. I'm now out of the shower. You should have seen or heard my monologue while I was in the shower. It was pretty much this repetitive fuck, because I was like realizing in the shower what I forgot. So thankfully we've got some local shops. I'm gonna head down there now. Anyway, I just want to show you, this is the aftermath of me filming earlier today. So I feel like that is just such a like YouTuber content creator thing, is like you end up with such a mess, and I obviously didn't have time, but majority of it is going in my suitcase anyway. So Sam's making dinner. I'm gonna go down and buy that stuff. I'm also gonna buy a bottle of wine. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. I don't know. We'll see. I haven't eaten a thing today just because I got distracted.
I'm finna jump for the shit. All top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the eye.
Well, hello guys. So I've cleaned the whole downstairs floor finally, which is ready for the guests to stay in. And now I'm tidying up this, and then we're gonna pack. It's like 9:30. This is usually what it's like the day before I go traveling, so I'm not surprised, but I really didn't think that I was gonna be doing this so late. But anyway, let's tidy up this and just let's do that.
We got nowhere else to go. It's only up from here. I've been on my own, just running through the field. Say vivid for the ears. I know this.
I thought I would do a quick little haul with what I got. So picked up some masks. I got a dry shampoo, travel first aid kit from Kmart. This was $18. I reckon it has all the essentials that you need in terms of like cuts and falls and infections and that sort of stuff. But I've obviously done a big medicine shop, as you would have seen before, and like prepped for Bali Belly. Some warm socks, I don't know why I need them for a tropical holiday. I often just kind of am like, let's buy everything. I got some aux cords. This is actually essential, so I'm going to put it on my list. You need to be able to plug in your headphones to the airplane. I got Sam a 3-in-1 wash, so it's face, hair and body wash. So I got a shampoo bar, and that was before I bought this because then I realized that like we're gonna have to travel with this sort of wet thing and I just don't want to do that. Picked up some Bondi Sands aloe vera, and then this I got, but Sam never watches my vlog so he's never gonna know that I bought this. I'm gonna tell him I had this for ages. This one is so cute, like it's so small. Someone had opened one of them there and I was like, okay, look how cute this is. This is literally it. So cute. Opens up like this. Like, how cute. Okay, so I feel like that's actually perfect for the plane. It comes with this sensitive skin one, and then a soft bristle one here, and then it comes with this foam one, and I like tried to read the back, and it says it gets like makeup off and stuff. I don't know how it will physically be able to move on your face regardless of having water. Now I can't get this back in. Anyway, how cute is that? That's perfect for the plane. The next thing that I got was this blush from Maybelline, and a number of like good quality blushes, and I've never gone past this. I've been looking for it everywhere, couldn't find it. So it's number 15 from Maybelline, and it looks like it's been dropped, but I was like, I'm getting it anyway. It was also half price. Picked up this little toothbrush holder. Got some Strepsils, so I'll be sending them downstairs. Got a second BB cream. So again, this is the same thing with makeup, and I've never gone past this Dream Satin BB cream from Maybelline. Like, it is just perfect for me. And then guys, I picked up this from Kmart. Look how cute this brush is. These eye masks, 2-prong thing, just in case we need more space. I don't know. A detangle spray. This is the one that I usually use, like the argan oil from Morocco 5-in-1 leave-in spray. Another aux cord. I picked up a moisturizer that was travel sizeable. This, guys, to my dry skin friends, this is what my dermatologist recommended I get, and she said this is what they give patients in hospital to deal with dry skin.
We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the field, say vivid for the ears. I know that's how they like it. Yeah, I fantasize. Tell me that it's real when it's all said and done. I said it how I feel it. I let them hit the fear of a passive aggressive angry black man with a passion. Steady grip while I shoot to the stars with a full clip, trying line with the loose leaf. Then I proofread till I lose sleep. Couldn't handle the truth when you bed with the right. Love at first sight, shit. Art over.
For a 10-day trip, I'm all packed. I can't help myself. Now I'm just gonna try and pack everything in this side too now.
Suspicious behind the eyelid, tell her reckless with the clauses. Careful with it cost me. Needed shit forever, but I never ever stop until they put me in the coffin or they off me. Fuck niggas quick to auction, they false print. Always treat the shit with a caution. Hold it 10 toes down for the dogs, you can see the paw print. Searching for the answers in the bottom of the last strip of the handle. The beginning of the candle. Doing shit to myself, give me fears when I'm looking in the mirror. I'm seeing somebody else, yeah. Mi corazón es on my sleeve shoulder.
I've got my bag packed. This is all carry-on related things. This needs to get put away. Just need to straighten my hair in the morning, and then we will be ready to go. And I need to put that away actually. Yay! It's probably like midnight. Our flight was delayed, so we've been emailed saying that instead of 7:55, our flight is now at 9:15. So we've got a bit more time in the morning. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in my Bali vlog.